My fridge freezer makes a clicking noise and the light goes out. Then the light comes back on and the fridge cuts out.
What's the make and model of the fridge? And can you guesstimate how old is it?
Hotpoint FFP52. 4 years old. The clicking comes from the dome light.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I think it may be a relay contlolling the door opening.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. Can you double check the model number please, as that number isn't coming up?
FFA52 sorry. UK landline. Can you talk to me online?
Thanks for that. From what you say, the control board is going to be the fault here. But first, just in case if you have already done so, then try the fridge in another socket. But if it's still the same, then the control board will be the fault. It won't be the door switch, as this just controls the light inside the fridge. It won't cause it to turn off. Now the boards on these come programmed, so you can actually replace yourself if you want. You need to remove the plastic console panel at the top of the fridge section, and you can swap it over from there. Then with a new board fitted in there, this will cure the fault. If you need any more info, just get back to me.
Can you please advise as to how I can remove the plastic light dome? Also, how can I get a replacement board?
If you look at the light cover in there, at the back of this is a screw. Remove the screw, then you can pull the light cover down and access the light bulb in there.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. If you could remember to click the star ratings at the top of the page, that would be great. Many thanks.
We cannot find a board, only a bulb and a reflector. Can you help please?
The control board is at the top of the fridge section. It's the part where the dial is to turn the settings. To access this, you need to remove the plastic hinge covers either side, and you will see a screw behind both covers. Remove the screws, and then you can access the control board from there.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.